Yumi and I have been nourishing the space between us, the relational space, for years. We learned the concept from Martin Buber, the Jewish philosopher, who says there's a sacred space between people. And he also says when two people connect authentically, God is the electricity that surges between them. Lately, we've been inspired by the 12th century Sufi poet Rumi, who also talks about the relational space. And what he says is that the growing field between two people is the friend. He calls the relational space the friend. And here is a poem he writes about it. He says there's a window that opens from heart to heart. And there are ways of closing it completely, not a needle's eye of access. Open or shut, both ways are sometimes appropriate. The deepest ignorance is not to know about this window. When houses live side by side with windows open, that's the embrace that we want. A place where great souls can stop over and rest. I'm inspired by the houses that are next door to each other and the windows that are open and the souls that stop over to rest, because it reflects the three invisible connectors that Yumi and I are teaching. The relational space, the sacred space of Martin Buber in the 20th century, the same as the friend of the philosopher, the Sufi philosopher in the 12th century. The bridge to each other's world, which are the open windows, and the encounter of the souls, which is when the souls just stop over to rest in each other's embrace.